Before you pay for any HVAC repair, ask yourself this: do you actually know what's wrong, or is someone just guessing? Most homeowners don't realize they might be paying for repairs without ever knowing what's really wrong. At Nalk AC and Heating, we believe knowing the problem before you spend the money is the smartest move you can make. For a limited time, new customers can take advantage of a $79 per hour diagnostic rate. That means we'll take the time to identify the real issue, so you're not paying for fixes you don't need or repairs that miss the mark. No pressure, no surprises, just clear answers before you pay for a repair. Take advantage of this limited time $79 per hour diagnostic rate for new customers and call Nalk AC and Heating and make sure your repair starts with the right answer.